Nature-based solutions can help fight climate change, biodiversity loss, and poverty. We live in a world where landscapes are dominated by farming and infrastructure, with very little space left for nature. Yet nature is our life support system, and with 1 million species at risk of extinction and extreme events increasing as the planet warms, people are suffering. But we can, and we must choose a different future. Nature-based solutions involve protecting our natural ecosystems, not just our forests, but also our peatlands, our wetlands, grasslands and marine habitats, through locally led projects that support communities. They encompass restoring degraded habitats, cleaning rivers and allowing them to meander again, and bringing microbes, plants and animals back into damaged landscapes. Nature-based solutions involve sustainably managing our working lands and fisheries and replenishing soil health. For example, by growing trees among crops and planting more hedgerows. And nature-based solutions also include bringing nature into our towns and cities, with connected parks, allotments, green roofs and ponds. But biodiversity must be at the foundation of all these activities, for it is only when ecosystems thrive that they can support people over the long term. And nature-based solutions can also only be sustained if they are designed and implemented by local communities, respecting indigenous knowledge, cultural traditions and human rights. In this way, people and nature co-produce a variety of outcomes which benefit society, which in turn feed back to support biodiversity. Protecting nature can store carbon, whilst restoring it can draw greenhouse gases out of the atmosphere, and in this way, nature-based solutions can help to slow climate change this century. Restoration of habitats on slopes and encatchments can store water and stabilise soils, protecting our homes and crops by reducing the risk of floods, erosion and landslides. Healthy coastal ecosystems are also crucial for protecting communities from the impacts of storm surges, saltwater intrusion and erosion. While in our towns and cities, trees in parks and along pavements provide shelter from the sun and rain and reduce peak temperatures during heat waves, and by bringing nature into our cities, we can also improve our mental and our physical health. Nature-based agricultural practices can help to sustain or even enhance yields, securing food supplies and ensuring clean drinking water is available year-round. Furthermore, the restoration of our lands and seas can generate valuable jobs and provide diverse livelihoods, while securing supply chains. And in this way, nature-based solutions can support economic recovery all over the world. Nature has diverse cultural values, including enjoyment of natural beauty and spiritual and religious connections, all the while bringing education, recreation and health benefits. Through implementing nature-based solutions, people build stronger relationships, networks and knowledge, which gives them the capacity to adapt and to be resilient in a rapidly changing world. All of these benefits and more support human well-being and biodiversity, which are, in turn, the foundation of sustainable development.